guys. The snow is still falling. This is the day after another snowstorm. I'm by my daughter's house. There's a lot of snow. Oh man. We should get like 8 inches of snow, and we still have another 4 more hours for the snow to go. They say it's gonna finish at 12 p.m. So we're getting ready to clean some snow. My son over there scraping some snow. And that's my son-in-law tried to fix up the snowblower, but seems like he's encountering some problem over there. Guys, look on the amount of snow that's on the porch. It's a lot of snow. Snow. It's the front of the house. A lot of snow. The snow looks so beautiful and the trees over there. Spreading salt on the road. Our snow blower is not starting, so I guess we're gonna have to do the snow manually. This is a pain in the butt right now, man. When you need the snow blower, it's not working. We put oil in it, we tried everything, and it's still not working. So I guess we're gonna have to get some shovel and shovel this place manually. It's crazy. It's a lot of snow. So guys, the snow blower is not working, so what we have to do, only thing we're gonna do is that we're just gonna clean around the cars so that we can get in the cars properly and that we don't slide and hurt ourselves, and clean off the cars later because the snow is still falling. And when we figure out how to use how to start the snow blower, then we can get rid of all this snow. But for now, we're just gonna do what is necessary. We're just gonna clean out around the cars so that we can get out of here safely. What time is it now? I guess it's too late for church, so there won't be any church service today.